Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mukaizan bin Nurul Helmi. I'm from Group 4 and from course BPB, and the subject today is Industrial Engineering. I'm going to present a laboratory report of arena simulation for furniture manufacturing process. Firstly, we're going to start with the preparation of the simulation model, which the process begins with the release of raw material from the storage area where one piece is released every 25 seconds. The material then undergoes a series of processing steps starting with marking, followed by the bandsaw, jointer, thicknesses, multi-sternum, polishing, and finally the cleaning process. All the action for the process is same with 6 daily release. The units are in second and the resource that are needed is 1 worker for each process with wages 50 ringgit per hour, neither busy or idle. What makes the process different are the value for minimum, most likely, and maximum. The first process is marking, which the value for minimum is 14, most likely is 15.8, and maximum 18. For the second process is bandsaw, which the value for minimum is 20, most likely 22, and maximum 25. The third process is jointer, which the value for minimum is 14, most likely 14.7, and maximum 16. The fourth process is thickness, which the value for minimum is 24, most likely 25, and maximum 26. The fifth process is multi-sternum, which the value for minimum is 25, most likely 27, and maximum 28. The sixth process is polishing, which the value for minimum is 25, most likely 26.4, and maximum 28. The seventh process is cleaning, which the value for minimum is 25, most likely 26, and maximum 27. After this operation, the product proceeds to quality checking. Typically, 95% of the product pass this inspection and are accepted, while the remaining 5% is considered rejected. The rejected will be directed to the bad part handling process, which the value for minimum is 10, most likely 15, and maximum 18 depending on the specific issue. These rejected parts then go through a decision-making process to determine whether they should be disposed or reworked. Usually, 99% of the rejected parts are discarded, while the remaining 1% are reworked by sending them back to the machine on part process. For the project parameters, fill out the project name and the analyst name. For the static collection, choosing costing, resource, queues, entities, and processes. For the replication parameters, establish replication-related option by setting the number of simulation replication to be run, the length of the replication, the start date and time of the simulation, warm-up time length, time units, and the type of initialization to be performed between replications. Run the setup and enjoy it.